What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. This Chinese beef and mushroom recipe is downright delicious. It is quick and easy and requires only some simple ingredients. So please follow this recipe closely and you'll be able to get the result as good as any Chinese restaurant, if not better. The tender beef and coupled with the flavor of the mushrooms are a perfect match. So let's get into the details right now on how to prepare the beef and mushroom stir-fry recipe. Let's begin by preparing the beef. You can use any cuts of beef, but flank steak is my choice for stir-fry. Cut it across the grain, and it's easy to cut it when it is half frozen. Season the beef with some salt, some black pepper, and some oil. Mix and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Next, cut the mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms of your choice. Today I'm using the button mushrooms, the king oyster mushroom, and the Chinese shiitake mushrooms. I also include some snow peas for the crunchy texture. Hold the end of the snow pea and pull along the pot to remove the string. And strips of bell peppers to make it more colorful. Now let's prepare the sauce for the beef and mushrooms. Light soy sauce, oyster sauce, some dark soy sauce for the color, and a little bit of hoisin sauce for extra flavor. There are two more ingredients which I'm not going to include here. What I'm referring to is the wine and the sesame oil that should be included in the last minutes. Right. I stir fry the beef separately and then combine with the stir fry veggies later. And I find this is a better way because I can control the doneness of the beef. Fry the beef on both sides over medium heat until golden brown. Until the color has changed. Once it's done, remove it and don't overcook the beef. Here's some vegetable oil in the wok. The pan that I used to stir fry the beef was too small for the vegetables and mushrooms, so I gotta change it to a wok. And definitely the wok is a better utensil to do stir fries. Saute the chopped garlic until aromatic. Add the mushrooms and stir fry over medium heat until tender. After 2 to 3 minutes, the mushrooms are already soft and tender. So now we can include the snow peas and a bell pepper. Next, pour the stir-fry sauce into the wok. Then return the beef to the wok and combine with the stir-fry veggies and turn up the heat. Combine a teaspoon of cornstarch with about 2 tablespoons of cold water to form a slurry to thicken the gravy. Lastly, drizzle some Shaoxing wine and a little bit of sesame oil. Turn up the heat, mix and serve. That's my stir-fry beef with mushrooms. That's how to make stir-fry beef with mushroom. And I would like to recap some important points. And number 1, you have to marinate the beef for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And number 2, stir-fry the beef separately from the mushroom and the vegetables because the beef takes longer time to cook. And lastly, season the vegetables and the mushroom lightly because we already marinate the beef with salt. I've already included the recipe in the description below the video and also the link to my blog post. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. See you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.